and its square root. Okay, introduction of cube and its cube root. Multiply of any number 3 times itself and formed the product is known as cube. Okay, here the number is x and x is multiplied with itself 3 times, x, so it is x cube. Here 3 is multiplied with itself 3 times, so answer is 27. Here 5 same, 125. Now perfect cube. The cube of a number is called a perfect cube. Okay, the cube of a number is called a perfect cube. See how we will find. Here we multiplied. Okay, 7 into 7 into 7. Answer is 343. 343 is the perfect cube. Okay, 9 cube. 9 into 9 into 9. 729 is the perfect cube. Okay, now 40 into 40 into 40. 64000. So 64000 is a perfect cube. Okay, if any number ends with 0. Okay, see, this is the important. Okay, this is the important. Okay, main point also you can say. If any number ends with 0, its cube ends with 3 extra 0. Before we studied about square, if any number ends with 0, its square ends with 2 extra 0. There it is square, so it is about 2. Now it is, here it is 3. Okay, cube means 3, ending with 3 extra 0. See here, 30 into 30 means 3, ending with 3 extra 0. Okay, 700, here see, you see 20 means 2 into 3, 6 extra zeros. Okay, now cube root. How we will find the cube root? By using factorization. See here, 27, 3 3 ja 20, 3 9 ja, okay, 3 9 ja 27 and 3 3 ja 9. Okay, here we will do, when we will take factorization over root, then we will take always 3. If there is only 3 of same number, then you will take single. Okay, see here, 729, 981, 729, 9981. Okay, you find this. Okay, you all find this and tell me in my comment box. Okay, see, some properties I will tell you about cube and its cube root. There are 4 properties. How many? 4 properties. First property, cube root of a negative perfect number. Okay, how we will find? Okay, how we will find? See here, minus m cube, minus m into minus m into minus m. Okay, minus 2 to their cube, minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, minus 8. How I am telling you, see, when this minus m, okay, minus m into minus m, then it is m square, because minus minus plus. But here 3 are there, odd is there, means 1 extra minus is there. Plus minus into we will do, then minus it is. So the answer is minus m cube. Okay, same here, root minus 8. Okay, minus 2 it will take, then remaining is minus 2. Okay, minus 2 plus, then remaining minus 2, then this is the minus 2. 729 minus 9. Okay, cube root of product of number. Okay, cube root of a product of number. See here, xy, root cube xy, we will separate it, root x cube, root cube y. Okay, here you see, root cube 8 into 125. Now you see, root cube 8 into root cube 125, 2 5 10. You can do like this also, by multiplying these two and directly you can find. It is so easy. Okay, see here, 500 into 54. How you will find? See here, 500 into 54 you do 27000, and you remain, means 30 means 1 single 0 it will come if there is root. Okay, then here it is 30. 27 is there, means 3. Okay, you find these numbers and send in my inscription box. Okay, you find these numbers and send in my comment box. Okay, now the third property, cube root of fractional number. How we will do the cube root of a fractional number? Okay, see here, root cube x by y. We can also write root cube x by root cube y. Okay. Now example you see. Root cube 125 by 216. Here you see. Root cube 125 by root cube 126. If you will to take root cube common, then this by will come inside like this. The answer is 5 by 6 now. Okay. Now here minus 8 by 27 cube means minus 2 by 3. Direct it is coming. If you know, okay, you have to remember or by heart all the cube of the natural numbers. You by heart up to 1 to 30 and square of 1 to 30. Okay. Cube root of decimal number. How I will find? See here. How we did in square and square root. If 4, okay, 4 is there, then we will take 1 1. Here you will take, if 3 is there, okay, if 3 is there, means you will take 1 1. Cube means 3 and square means 2. See here, 0.027. How we will find? 27 cube. Okay, root cube of 27, 3. Okay, how many is there? 3 means 3 before you keep point. Okay. If after decimal 3, 6 or multiple of 3 number digit is there, then divide it with 3 and put the point. See here, 0.00079 root cube is there. How we will find it? Okay, see 0.09. How? 729, root cube of 729, 9. Okay, now before it there is 30. Okay, 1, 2, 3 means 1 0 extra. Okay, 6 is there, after 2 we will keep, means 6 divided by 3. Answer is 2. Okay, now we have completed this lesson. Thank you.